Hello everyone, this is Alexander Lamb here, and today I'll be presenting my PowerPoint presentation for my research topic, tablet PCs in the healthcare field. And in this presentation, I'll be giving you an idea of what a tablet PC is and what features and benefits and impacts that it's had on the healthcare field, as well as giving you a brief history lesson on the history of the tablet PC from past to present, as well as a glimpse of what future innovations are in store for the tablet PC. So without further ado, I shall begin my PowerPoint presentation. So, what is a tablet PC? A tablet PC is a flat and portable computer with a touchscreen. To put it simply, it's a large smartphone without the cellular features. And tablet PCs, they contain the same components found in the computer, except they lack a hard drive and a keyboard. But a detachable keyboard can be purchased separately for those wanting to have one for their long and extensive tasks such as word processing, and also to get a more tactile response and feel. And then each one of these tablets, they're on the market, they're powered by a popular operating system such as Apple iOS for the iPad or Microsoft Windows for its Surface tablets, and then Google Android for every other manufacturer that's not Apple or Microsoft. So now that we have talked about what a tablet PC is, it's time to talk about the features. The first feature that I want to talk about, or stands out, is that it's very light and thin and compact to carry and store. So it's very easy to slide into your pocket or your bag, and it's very easy to pull out of your pocket or bag, quick and easy. And then also it's very versatile and comfort. You can use it standing up or sitting down, unlike a laptop where preferably you would like to use it sitting down. So versatility and comfort there. And then you have battery life, which is significantly better than laptops because they can last up to 10 hours on average because of the compact components that power the tablet. And with compact components, they draw less power than your average size component. And then also, you obviously, if you can adjust your brightness settings, and depending how much you use your tablet throughout the day, your battery life can be extended even further than 10 hours. So also, the tablets they use flash memory to boot up, so it's very quick boot and all that. So that's why it doesn't take you long at all to turn on your tablet from standby, unlike a laptop where it's usually you're using a hard drive, which has inside the hard drive has a disk, so it has to wait to read and write, so it can take a while. And also hard drives, they're not even able to fit in tablets anyways because they're too big. The ones that are made nowadays are too big. So, but also with flash memory, there's limited integrated storage space that they provide with you. Usually it's a fixed amount, but it's nowhere near what you get in laptops. But thankfully, manufacturers, they provide you with memory card ports where you can purchase, like a memory card, like an SD card, and you can slide it into that port, so you can expand your storage space, so you have more space to store and access your photos and videos and other files. So after talking about the tablet PC and the features of them, it's time to get a little history lesson on them. Believe it or not, the tablet PC's concept actually has been out since the late 1960s, and it's kind of hard to believe ever since the fact that tablet PCs became popular a few years ago. But nonetheless, it's been around for a while. But the concept came about from a guy named Alan Kay, a computer scientist, and the name of his concept was Dynabook, and his concept looks similar to what we have nowadays, but his had an actual keyboard underneath it. But he envisioned, though, by having touchscreen technology, it will eliminate the need to even have a physical keyboard. So we would be using the touchscreen keyboard at that point. So now we continue to the 2 decades later into the 80s. We have the grid pad, which was introduced by Jeff Hawkins, the founder of Palm Computing. And the grid pad was considered the first true creation of a tablet PC due to the touchscreen technology, and it was accompanied by a stylus pen. As with any new technology, it was pricey and it was heavy and bulky at 5 pounds, and the battery life was pitiful at today's standards because it had a span of 3 hours. Then we progress a decade later, we have Apple jumping into the scene with their Newton message pad, and the message pad spawned a new design. It's called the PDA, Personal Digital Assistant. The only downfall that it had was that the screen had calibration issues, so the stylus wouldn't really interact with the screen correctly. And then Jeff Dawkins, he came back into the scene and introduced the Palm Pilot PDA, and this device became really popular because it was affordable and had an intuitive interface. Now we Move a decade later into the 21st century, Y2K, year 2000, and then we have Bill Gates and Microsoft bringing the Windows XP tablet to the scene. And then in between those years until 2010, we have the Apple iPad being introduced, and it was the first truly functional tablet, and it was the tablet that Alan Kay dreamed of having. And then the iPad's similar design and intuitive interface with the already popular iPhone and iPod Touch made it very successful. And then since Apple released their iPad, it just led to Google and Microsoft re-enter the market respectively with their own operating systems and devices to compete with Apple.
So now we get to the relevant part of my project or my topic, and it's the adoption of tablets in healthcare. So the health industry was actually reluctant to adopt tablet PCs at first because of fear of having privacy and security issues with handling, storing, and transmitting patient data, as well as meeting HIPAA regulations. So, but it was actually the usage of by consumers in other industries that helped to encourage them to move forward adopting them. So, with them adopting them, developers started creating medical apps and making them secure and compliant. And then, following that, you have tablet manufacturers who made their tablets more secure and also made their tablets more compatible with other devices. So now we get to the present use of tablets in healthcare. So currently, tablets are being used for electronic data entry, so for inputting, creating um, electronic health records for not students, patients, and this has helped to save paper costs and storage space for hospitals. And then with using tablets, they have faster and efficient communication for collaboration with patients and staff through apps and chats. So with apps, they're able to quickly send and transmit data, which can share it with other staff members so they can collaborate. And then also with chat, they're able to keep in touch with other staff members throughout the hospital throughout the day quickly. And then finally, you have increased patient interaction and satisfaction with education, video chatting, and entertainment. So the tablet is very good at pulling up patient records and having access to this multimedia, such as videos, charts, and diagrams. Instead of having it all in one device. Instead of having a doctor carrying all this stuff, it's all in one device, and he can quickly pull it up. And video chatting, patients are able to now, don't even have to go to the hospital. Actually, they can just stay home. It's a phenomenon called telemedicine, and they could just, from the comfort of their own home, see their doctor via Skype and such. And then also, tablets are being used as entertainment devices to help calm patients down right before they have some kind of procedure. So now that I've talked about the past and the present use of tablets, it's time to talk about the future. And the first innovation I have right here is the Ultrabook, which is basically a hybrid between a tablet and a laptop. As you can see in this picture here, at first it looks like a laptop. It's being used as a laptop, and then you fold the screen on its back, it becomes a tablet PC. And the thing about Ultrabooks are that they're better than laptops in that they have more energy efficiency, and also it's even thinner and lighter. So you get the best of both worlds in this device right here. And then we have the Sheet tablet, which is currently a concept, but if it were to become possible, it would be a breakthrough in nanotechnology. But basically, it's a newspaper tablet, basically a tablet on a newspaper, and it's gonna function just like a newspaper. You can fold it in and out, and it just has this very thin profile. So it would be pretty neat if it become possible. And then finally, we have solar powered and rechargeable tablets, where this would be perfect for those users who often forget their AC adapters, or are there no power outlets around to power your laptops or your tablets, I mean, or laptops and tablets. And so this would be awesome. And I mean, why not? I mean, it's all about green computing nowadays. Everything's going green, so having an alternative to charge and power your laptop would be nice. And the sun is just, we see it almost every day, so it's an abundant resource, so why not? And then we get to the medical aspect. So future medical innovations for tablets. So it's all about making apps and interfaces more user-friendly for doctors to make their workflow faster and easier. An example, templates. So it's all about efficiency, making it easier for them. And then also incorporating more on-screen buttons and voice recognition software to eliminate keyboarding input. So more pushing and swiping and less entering data through the keyboard. And also to make it even faster, you can have voice recognition software to just let the doctor speak into the tablet and have the system recognize their excuse me their their dialogue and translate it and input it for them into the tablet. So now we get a little more technical with other innovations such as having medical equipment and devices transmitting data and information wirelessly via Bluetooth to doctors' tablets. So once a doctor comes into a room, you see this. You can imagine seeing all these equipment just start interacting with the tablet itself, just start sending data to it and information. So the doctor doesn't need to go to the device or device or equipment to help transmit it. Automatically do it. So on the fly, it'll automatically do it for him, so he can have instant information on his tablet. And then also you have implanting wireless sensors in humans that will relay real-time health information to patients and doctors tablets. So these sensors will be implanted in humans, and it can help to monitor and provide real-time health information to the tablets. So doctors and patients alike will be able to be informed of their current health status, and this will help to notify them if they have any issues and that whether or not they need to go see a doctor sooner than later.
So now we've reached the end of my presentation. I just want to conclude and say it's just truly amazing how big of an impact that tablet PC has on the healthcare field. It's just helped doctors become more efficient and productive in their workflows, and which in turn has resulted in improved patient care and satisfaction. More and more technological features and apps are being developed and presented every day, so the possibilities are endless, and they will only continue to help revolutionize the work experience for and work and learning experiences for doctors and patients alike. And then again, hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. And this is Alexander Lamb again. Alexander Lamb signing out.